How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of steps for you to be able to reach out and unlock your permanently locked Snapchat account. But first, you'll have to figure out what specific um, issue you're encountering or what is the cause that your account was being locked permanently. Now, if you head straight into any available web browser that you can use on your mobile device, simply type in Snapchat account locked and choose on the very first link that will redirect you into the Snapchat support page. And say, for example, your account was permanently locked because someone hacked or bypassed your account. Now, take note that if your account was permanently locked because of violating their community guidelines, you won't be able to have it unlocked or have it retrieved. And from here, all I have to do is choose on who can unlock my account, and then Snapchat will provide you an option to submit an appeal. You simply choose this highlighted blue icon that says appeal, and then you will be redirected onto the page where you would like to fill out the information that you have or the account that you previously have on Snapchat. And those are the things that you can do for you to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account.